everybody, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you my fidget toys and my favourite toys. Okay, so this is my first toy I'm going to show you today. It is my little rainbow thing that's the best that I could have. It's a little beanie boo that I love. And then on to the next one, I have a little giraffe that's body was pink and purple. And I love it because it's a beanie boo too. And so I have a big giraffe for the little foot because that's the same. And then this one's good. And then I have one. And I have a panda that's also a beanie boo. And I love them because they're so squishy and this one's so good for hugs. And now I'm going to show me my other toys that I have. This is my first one I'm going to do. It's my fidget toy with Bill. And then I have my whole bunch of fidgets. And then I'll be showing you all of them. So the first one I have is a little troller, and this one is a pop tube. And then you can do this. This is a snapper. Okay, so this is my long pop tube. It goes real loud. Very long to pop up, so I'm going to do this one next. It's a snapper. So it's a snapper. So you snap it together. And then I have this. That what you can do is you can and then you can do it's a magnet, so you can do whatever you want. So. And then I have a little smash ball. And then I can do this. And then I do. And then I have a little thing I'm going to show you. It's a little controller, and then I can do this, and then I can do this. Oops. And then I can do this, and I can. This is a mini controller, and I can do this, and then I can do this, and do this, and then I can do this, and then I can. And that's all. And then I have another thing. It's a slap bracelet that you can slap. And then I'm going to be wearing this. And then I'm not going to be wearing it because it hurts. And then, so I have this, the yellow one. You can do this, and this, and this, and this. And then, oh. I have a little, that's all, and then I have a big pop. Then I have this, and then I'm going to pop this, and then it's a fidget spinner, and then it's a little poppet octopus. It can flip, and then you can do this, and then you have this puppet that you see what you do, and this is a timer, and then this is another mash ball that you can do, and then I have a tangle, and I have some puppets here, and maybe I should. And what did I like? No. Sa, kadu, Bye for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video.
See you
next time.